Equipped to Clean presents the Kiam Sherwood 5-in-1 multifunction garden tool. The Sherwood 5-in-1 incorporates a strimmer head, a long-reach hedge trimmer, a steel-bladed brush cutter, a long-reach tree pruner chainsaw and a long-reach extension bar. Its quick coupling shaft design allowing you to easily change from one attachment head to another. With the strimmer head in place, watch as the twin nylon lines cut a wide path through the grass and the foliage. The strimmer incorporates the rapid pump feed mechanism and also an orange safety guard for protection against any loose flying debris. Two hardened steel double-edged blades, each 45 cm long, make this hedge cutter perfect for manicuring those garden hedges and bushes. The cutting head adjusts to 10 different angles, from 90 degrees around to 240 degrees. Achieving a versatile range of cutting angles. Each steel blade comes with protective covers to safely store away. The extension pole snaps into position and allows an additional 840mm extended use of the tools. Watch as the extension pole in conjunction with the hedge cutter helps reach those normally inaccessible areas. The pruner chainsaw head is fitted with the world-renowned Oregon cutting chain. Now let's see it go to work. The brush cutter, with its heavy-duty steel blade, is ideal for cutting thick brambles, shrubs, brush, nettles, larger twigs and thick overgrowth. Why buy a multitude of gardening tools? Invest instead in the Sherwood 5-in-1, supplied for professionals and hobby gardeners alike.